So this is actually my first impression of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and also the Z Fold 5. Yeah, so these devices were actually announced on the 26th of this month and also will be released on the 11th of August, which is next month. Yeah, so that being said, without any further ado, let's get straight into this particular video. Alright, so the first thing I actually noticed on the Z Flip 5 was actually the cover screen, which is literally called Flex window right now. So actually, the Flex window actually fills the whole space, and the only cutout that's actually remaining is the camera space and also the flash space. They're literally in the same space actually. It's actually a 3.4-inch AMOLED display with a pixel density of 306 ppi and also a 60 Hz refresh rate. There are also widgets like the weather, calendar, and also step counter, and also a space for you to actually add and download more widgets for yourself. And again, within the multi-widget view, you can actually see a bunch of them at once.
This time around was bunch of women surrounded in my room.
You can receive notifications and also reply messages and also those notifications all on the Flex window. Alright, so both chipsets for these actual phones were actually upgraded this year. They now actually run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is basically built for the Samsung Galaxy S23. And that is to say, these phones are actually equipped with better performance and also efficiency. They also support the new UFS 4.0 memory tag. They actually made the new developments on the Flex hinge. It was actually made from sturdy aluminum and also restructured to be extra durable. Both the Fold 5 and also the Flip 5 actually folds flat right now, unlike the last generations, which actually has a gap in between. Alright, so I also thought to mention that the IP water resistance for these actual phones are actually IPX8. And now let's talk about the inner screen. For the Flip 5, it actually comes with a 6.7-inch Infinity OLED, which is actually 1080p and also 120 Hz refresh rate, which is actually like the same as of last year's generation. And also you can say the same for the Fold 5. It also comes with the same specs with last year's device. Right, so stylus support is actually back on the Z Fold, and also this year's stylus pen is actually slimmer and also compact. So both the Fold 5 and also the Flip 5 actually runs on Samsung One UI 5.1.1. They both have extensive support for 5 years of security updates and also 4 generations of OS upgrade. So they also come with the Android 13. So RAM wise, the Flip 5 actually comes with the base model of actually 8GB, and also the Fold 5 actually comes with 12GB of RAM. And as for the storage, they actually comes with 256GB of RAM, which is the base model, 3700 mAh battery, and also supports wireless charging and also fast native charging. The phone actually comes with a stereo speaker, which is really great. Alright, and as for the cameras, they are also the same with last year's device. For the Fold 5, we actually have 50 megapixels main camera, 10 megapixels 3x telephoto, and also 12 megapixels ultra wide camera. And for the Flip 5, we actually have 12 megapixels for the main camera, also 12 megapixels for the ultra wide camera. So yeah, as I actually stated earlier, the base storage for these phones are actually 256GB storage. The price for the Flip 5 is actually 859,000 naira, which is the base model, and actually comes with 8GB of RAM, as I stated earlier. For the Fold 5, we actually have it around 1.5 million naira right now. So thank you very much for watching this impression video. Don't forget to actually like, share this video with your friends or anyone actually. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.